everyone! Welcome back to your favorite English learning channel, English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about our daily routines. You'll learn how to speak in English when describing your day step by step.
That's right. We'll share how we spend our day in a simple and easy to understand way. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident talking about your daily routine in English. So let's begin.
I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is stretch a little while I'm still in bed. Then I get up and go straight to the bathroom to freshen up. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Once I'm done, I make my bed and head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I like to eat something light in the morning, usually toast with butter and a cup of tea. Sometimes I also eat eggs or fruit depending on my mood. While eating, I listen to the news or play some relaxing music. Around 8 a.m., I get ready for work. I take a quick shower and then dress up for the day. I usually wear something comfortable but neat. Before leaving the house, I double-check my bag to make sure I have everything I need. I leave home by 8:45 a.m. and take the bus to the office. It takes me about 30 minutes to reach my workplace. On the way, I like to read or sometimes scroll through social media. Once I reach the office, I greet my colleagues and start my work. My workday usually begins at 9:30 a.m. I check my emails, reply to messages, and make a to-do list for the day. Then I start working on my tasks one by one. I take a short tea break around 11 a.m. I like to talk to my coworkers during the break and share some laughs. After the break, I return to my desk and continue working until lunchtime. At 1 p.m., I have lunch with my team. We usually eat together in the office cafeteria. After lunch, I go for a short walk outside to get some fresh air. It helps me feel fresh and energetic for the rest of the day. In the afternoon, I attend meetings or work on important reports. Sometimes I also talk to clients or prepare presentations. My workday ends at 5:30 p.m. I pack up my things, say goodbye to my colleagues, and head back home. Once I get home, I like to relax for a while. I take off my shoes, change into comfortable clothes, and sit on the sofa. Sometimes I watch TV, and sometimes I scroll through my phone. In the evening, I help my mother in the kitchen. We cook dinner together and talk about our day. Dinner is usually ready by 8 p.m. We eat together as a family. After dinner, I clean up the table and do the dishes. Then I spend some time reading a book or watching an English video. Before going to bed, I prepare my clothes for the next day. Finally, I brush my teeth, say goodnight to my family, and go to bed around 10:30 p.m. That's how I spend my day.
Thanks for sharing your routine, Annie. Now let me tell everyone how I spend my day. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and take a shower. After getting ready, I offer my morning prayer. Then I prepare breakfast, which is usually eggs and paratha, along with a hot cup of tea. I enjoy eating breakfast while listening to English podcasts or watching the news. At 8:30 a.m., I start planning my work. Since I work from home and run my own English YouTube channel, I don't need to travel far. I check my schedule, review my video scripts, and prepare my recording equipment. From 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., I focus on recording videos for my channel. Sometimes I also record short clips for Facebook and Instagram. After recording, I take a short break and have a cup of tea. Then I start editing the videos with the help of my team. At 1:30 p.m., I take a lunch break. I usually eat something light like rice and curry or chicken and roti. After lunch, I rest for 20 to 30 minutes to recharge my energy. From 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., I work on writing new scripts or checking students' messages. Sometimes I attend online meetings with people who want to collaborate. I also spend time replying to comments and giving feedback to learners. In the evening, I go for a walk or do some light exercise. Walking helps me clear my mind and stay active. After that, I come back home and take some time to relax. At 7 p.m., I have dinner with my family. We sit together and enjoy simple meals. After dinner, I spend some time watching English learning videos or listening to audio lessons. Sometimes I also go live on YouTube or answer questions from my students. Before going to bed, I write down the important tasks for the next day. Then I brush my teeth and go to sleep around 11 p.m. That's my daily routine.
So in this video, we have shared how we spend our day from morning till night. You have learned how to describe your daily routine in clear and simple English.
Yes, we used easy sentences and common vocabulary, so you can also talk about your day confidently. Try to practice your own routine in English using similar sentences.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and share. And tell us in the comments, how do you spend your day?
Subscribe to our channel English with Altaf for more useful English conversations. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.